So go ahead and put these points on the scatter plot. When I look at these, I notice that the top two, they're both going up. Like a straight line, a linear function with a positive slope. Okay? So this is our x-axis, our y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay? So these are what we have positive correlation, which means as x increases, y increases. And you're like, well, there's two kinds. What do the two kinds mean? So the first one, this is called a weak because they are spread out, okay? They are further apart, where the other one is called strong, a strong positive correlation because they are close together. When I look at the bottom two, they are similar to the top two, but they are going down. They have a negative slope, and so this is a negative correlation. So when we talk about our x and our y, this is as x increases, y is going to decrease. They go opposite. All right, and the first one is also weak, and the second one is strong. And then our last one, my points are all over the place, so this has no correlation. This means there's no relationship between x and y. All right, so now when we talk about real world situations, when we talk about a positive correlation, right, that means things like hours at the mall and the amounts of money spent, right? Because the more time I spend at the mall, the more likely I am to buy more things, okay? This is also, another example would be like income and education, okay? The higher your income typically comes from the higher your education level, okay? And then another one would be hours of studying and grades on a test, right? So notice, as one of them increases, the other one is also increasing. So that's positive. When I talk about negative, these are things that are opposite, okay? So like distance traveled and the amount of gas left in the car, right? The further you drive, your gas is going to go down because you're using it, right? Okay. The temperature and amount of jackets being worn. Okay, the higher the temperature, the less amount of jackets are being worn. The lower the temperature, more people are wearing jackets. All right. And then a no correlation would be like test scores and shoe size. They have nothing to do with each other. Or how tall a person is and how fast they drive. All right, so those are some examples of real world situations that are positive, negative, or no correlation. And then we have